Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an emergency fund with Ally Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To start an emergency fund with Ally Bank, begin by researching your financial goals. Determine how much money you want to save for emergencies, considering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Next, open an Ally Bank account by visiting their website or downloading their mobile app. Select the Open an Account option and choose Save to open a high-yield savings account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Then, provide your financial information, including your income and any existing expenses. Choose your account preferences, including how you wish to fund your new account. After submitting your application, review the terms and conditions and complete the verification process. Link your external bank account to transfer funds into your new Ally savings account. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck if possible to automate your savings. Develop a budget to keep track of your expenses and identify areas where you can save more. Start with a small, manageable contribution to your emergency fund and increase it as your financial situation allows. Monitor your progress regularly and adjust your contributions as needed to keep building your fund. Once your emergency fund is established, avoid using it for non-emergency expenses to maintain financial security. Utilize Ally Bank's budgeting tools and resources to help keep your savings on track. Review your emergency fund periodically to ensure it meets your needs as your life circumstances change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.